What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about comparison operator of flow control, logical operator, if-else, while loop, and now we're gonna talk about for loop. At first, let's take a look at the structure statements of for loop. We put for variable in sequence and colon, and in the next line we put the statements of body of for loop. And don't forget put an indentation before this. Alright, this is the structure of statements for loop. Alright, we are going to talk about the flow control of for loop. The program will execute for each item in sequence and distinguish the last item reached or not. If it was not, it goes to the body of for loop and go back to the distinguishing the last item reached, and it was not again, it goes to body of for loop and go back to the last item reached again. Until the last item reached, the program will exit the loop. Alright, this is the structure of flow control in for loop. Let's demonstrate it. Alright, before we type in the code, let's take a look at the statements of for loop at first. For a variable in sequence and body of for. Alright, let's get to start it. We set a sequence players equals Harden Yanis Trey Doncic Williamson, and we set a variable as P in sequence players, and the body of for loop is print P. Alright, execute it. As you can see, it iterates to print Harden Giannis to Williamson. Alright, it is very simple, right? And today we have talked about the structure flow control of for loop and to know how to use for loop. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.